Hey, good morning, and I'm back here. What's that? Yeah, at least it's funny for me. All right, so we are going to see today. Market is very interesting. Yesterday, actually, where is it? There you go. Market. Yes, actually, we just from this broad information, tight broad information that we had a little bit of expansion on a 2-2 reversal. We're pushing up. I'm not sure how it's pushing. We made it at the 8 in the morning. We made the high, and market is pushing toward to make a new high. It would be a good one to go long off of in pre-market, as the volume probably gonna surge and gonna push up right now at the, you know, we can in the imbalance you can see the volume that's going on and the pushback. There's always a fight going on in there, so you can see that what's going on. I mean, my focus right now is more of how can I explain this? It's more to see that I have to actually change some little things. At the moment, I'm more focused on seeing everything, if everything is working properly. And this is yesterday's final profit, which I closed it after I finished trading. Let me see, put this one. Okay. I quickly have to search for hotkey and then find. Then I search this one, then replace this one with this one, replace all. There you go. Oh shit. Oh, sorry. Clean language. Oh my. All right. All right. So, okay. So what we are getting here at. So there are a ton of stocks that are running. Like here yesterday, I was trying to short this thing at its around up here at 18. You see, I want to short this thing, and the idea was to go to 10, 9, and $8. I was thinking that it's gonna last at $8, but apparently it dropped even lower and it went to 6 something. LOD went yesterday to 678. I wouldn't imagine that it's gonna go that low, but it went. So what we're going to see now is to, first of all, removing the stock from the watch list and check quickly our watch list to see what we are getting. Nvidia looks good. Let me quickly set up all of the S lines. This one, another one, another one. So these are the lines that are important. These are the lines that are important to the strategy on weekly pivot points. So we are on one of them already. So this would be the best to just go up, pull back up, sit on it, and then get rejected. So on high of the bounce of high of day, this will be like this: go up, come back down, get rejected off here, and then start to go higher. If at this point VWAP cuts the two big candles, and the one that got rejected at the bottom, has distance, has a break between this line and the VWAP, then it will be very good long, very good. So Raven, Raven, I don't like it at all, just because of this freaking shadow. Like for short, it was good. It was getting iffy a little bit down here. This short was still good, but not this one. Even this day, you don't know what's gonna happen and how it's gonna form, so it's still gonna be a good one for shorting. But then let me go a little bit closer. So you don't know what's gonna happen, but then this gives me iffy situation. I mean, I see this on it's Friday, all right? So we go to trading terminal, and we go to the news section. So economic calendar. Economic calendar, we have Hyundai, what else do I know? Honda. The only brand that I know from today's news. I mean, they're the most important earning. There are a whole bunch of them. So we move to Forex factory for calendar. Or maybe I should make it visible. So it should be visible now. No, don't show this. Filter, no. Properties. Who cares? Come on. There you go. What happened to my... Oh no. This is what I wanted to do. So you can see that the economic calendar today, what's going on. The time is right. So we have today for today we have no important thing unless it's some FOMC meeting, but that's not really important. The impact of this wouldn't be that high. The member is a member of Mr. But we just a member of Mr. It will be a member of the board, but it is what it is. I'm not really caring about this. So we just let me rename this to web. There are unnecessary elements here. Trading view. Yeah, there are unnecessary elements here. All right. So there you go. So we go to our watch list, remove some stuff that we don't want. More Walmart from a different sector. I don't like Walmart. What is Walmart doing? For long, is not a good long. If anything, it's still short. And if it goes long, it's gonna be far Galaxy far away. We have $3.32 of ATR, and then our breakpoint gonna be somehow $2 above. So we're just gonna have $1 to go. 1/3 of the move is gone, and I don't want something that has gone that far. It's not gonna happen the first leg of the day. Removing it, love Southwest airline. Removing this. So what we have, first of all, if we see love, the first thing that we should see is CCL, the leader of the traveling group, and then you'll see that we have a potential for reversal. But look at the time frame continuity; it's all short, right? So it's not logical to just go long off of this. So I'm not a fan of this at the moment. So I'm not gonna be sitting and looking at Southwest line for long. Let me just actually tweet about it. All right. So the next one we have, all right. So law of removing from the watch list. WFC I have already set. Actually, you know what? To be frank, WFC. Yesterday I set a key for this. It is a website. I'll control delete. So WFC. There you go. Wells Fargo. Financial. Banking, it sits in banking. So sometimes, like, I'm afraid that this would go to financial or it goes to technology. So I always check. WFC is financial. So if you go through financial banking sector, JPM is always good to check, and that JPM is even better to trade if you want to do. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. Here we have JPM and then WFC. Which one is better to trade? And then XLF. Oh, sorry. Is it XLF? If I'm not wrong, XLF. I think it's fine. Yeah, it's finance. Yeah. Okay, so on XLF. So XLF has it had bullish. So if anyone got good beta with XLF, so we can check. Actually, let me go to Finviz. We can check different resources. Finviz heat map, and then checking banking to see that. I mean, I'm by memory. I don't know which one has the biggest weight in financial. So of course we is Visa, which has the biggest weight of the financials. Yeah. There you go. Alright, so we is not bad. Alright, so we move from financials. WFC, also WFC is gone. Better to look at JPM instead. I don't want to trade, but we'll see. Hopefully that wouldn't be the only thing. Because of TQQQ, lots of technology stocks, they are setting as it's sat here. Like, look at this. We had 212 bearish, then 22 reversal, but AMD here is sitting on a 122. It's sitting on a 122. Here is one a 212. Let me see, low. Yeah, 212 bullish reversal, and then it became a 122, and now it's a 22, strong 22 reversal. All right. Okay, let's check out Mr. Safi. First of all, we set here this one and then this one. I would love that if this thing falls first on its face. Like, I would love that if this thing happens to 80, 88, it's like $1.40, it drops, it's nothing, then it pulls back up off of this low of pre-market and also the level. It would be also S1 Camarilla. So between, but it's much lower. It can go 87, but it's not something that I would like to look at. Although it can be, like, I don't care. It's I will try whatever that it comes by. Let me remove something. Let's go to trading. Streaming. Yeah, so all right, so what do we have here? Another one. So this should have done before yesterday, but I should have done it yesterday, but I didn't. So travel company CCL remove, AFRM. Look at AFRM. Ooh la la. Looks good. How much volume are we getting today? So far 3 million, and it's the highest volume that we have between all, right? AMD and AFRM. So AFRM, obviously I'm going to take a look at as in Futu. Oh, no, actually, I always wanted to know that what sector sits in Futu. Okay, it sits in internet software. It's in technology, and industry is internet software services. So Futu looks good. It's on a 2-2 reversal. We have had the week already coming up green. If this is yesterday I had the potential to go green, and we have already started to go inside. We are already in the motherboard. This is the one thing. This motherboard is a little bit iffy. But this one. But then we are not a value investor, so I mean, I normally don't pay attention, but this could go as far as it wants to go. All right, so Futu, yeah, I'm a little bit iffy about Futu. It's not the best stock to trade. One is good to trade is talking about Futu. Sorry, ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil is the highest with the biggest weight in the sector. Then is CVX. These two I know. All right. So this is the a go-go situation as I see in CVX. I'm going to put CVX here, right on the up of the list. CVX. I would love that this thing falls down. It falls down and then it pulls back up. And this one was at what time? At 10 it was separated though. Yeah, it's good. Il khut. You go in, it right, drr. Alright. All right. So what do we have here? More stocks to be paid attention to. So CVX FTSE, ExxonMobil, SKU. It's 2-2 rev, but we have a 2-2 reversal. And are we at the bottom of broadening formation? How can I draw? There is no way that I can draw broadening formation that it's get to this point. So and it's not right to put it right there. Oh, it's reversing. Otherwise, it becomes a self-fulfilling hypothesis. No, I call this one is bearish, and I skip on buying it. Maybe to short it. Okay, I can short this to become a 2-2 rev. All right, that was a good idea. Let me look back CCL again. No, I mean, I can wait. This goes where to get a drop back. Keys are losing its pants. So what's Spy's thing? It's gonna be a heavy day. It's gonna be a messy day, especially that everyone is pushing for their own agenda, and actually default account would be alright. Well, as I am trading with okay, SKUs are on an ASI for PDD. I want to check PDD as well. Come to Papa. Alright, PDD. We have news for PDD since May 9 is direction. It's in retail internet, in retail trade. PDD. We are in a ugly broadening formation, and it's barcoding. Alright, so more PDD Oracle. Market is here, is open. All right, so we'll see what we're getting. Okay, let's check the Ford around R4. For actually the Ford is actually a good short. I just need to set up this. I would love that from 13 we can drop to 12. Goes higher, make it 212 and then drops, or 22 ref. I don't care. Mara INTC. Mara. Mara INTC. This notification that you are hearing is pivot bot by at Twitter. It's called pivot alert bot. It's pivot alerts bot at Twitter. It's exactly what it is. And nah. Okay, show me what you got. Oxy. Pivot bot. Oxy. All right. Oxy is good. It has so much room to go. Oxy. All right. So far. Okay, so let's check. We have Think or Swim giving alerts. Let me open my Gmail. Woo! We got a for him. Alright, so far we have Rivian. Rivian 222 is still hanging around. It's 6 a.m. I got this 2-2 up reversal because it went up for 500,000, more than 500,000 shares. RIV and then we have AMD. AMD is the one at 6 a.m. added to the watch list. Comcast is already added to the watch list early in the morning. CMSA. All right, so we will just watch now to see what happens with Cardone. It looks like Qs are setting a bottom. It looks like. Mais je sais pas, mon ami. We'll see here now. Still watching. What the hell am I watching? Scum. As I said, I'm setting up. I like AFRM to just stays where it is now. Makes some freaking a beautiful hammer with no space related connected to VWAP, and actually doesn't increase in massively in volume, so it stays relatively low, so the VWAP doesn't stick. So from here it can take it and go higher. Although AFRM, one of the things that has, it doesn't have much shadows, so if it picks a direction, it just goes in that way. This is just an observation. All of the technology sector is just pulling back because of Qs is ripping. I might add another monitor to my setup. I mean, I'm feeling I need more space. Let's take it to a quick check. Nothing. AFRM, nothing. Come on, AFRM. Don't do this. The volume is surged and then fuck. Yeah, it's gone. The signal is gone. It's just there. You go. It's hugging. Everything is green. I haven't seen Lee and MU in a very long time. Tesla? No, I don't want Tesla. See, this is what happens. Now, if this looks bullish, to me this looks bullish, but then there's a hugging situation going on, and I'm not going to touch it because of that. Alright, so let's quickly check out what's going on now. Qs are ripping, everyone is coming up. Let me see if SQQQ is giving a good short. No. Let's quickly check everything. Everything is touching VWAP. Everything is still touching. What's that? Yeah, it's still touching. Here we have Pfizer signal. Yep. Although this is a little bit too late to go in. Pfizer is heavy long. We're gonna wait for a signal to pull so it pulls back. Alright, the first alert, and then we remove all of the alerts. Actually, I'm not liking this. Nope. The drop is too heavy. On a bullish continuation. Is there any news behind it? They're doing some freaking deal with the Heaven, and And they're selling vaccines. Like, why is not ripping them? Why it's not gapping? There's some Lily's ointment, a full approval for FDA. Oh, let's open Squawk guy. What's the name? Mozilla. That is like, that's the one that is necessary. Who runs the drill 8 in the morning? 9 in the morning. OPNT halted on the downside, just 100,000 shares. DRTS same on 2,000 shares. There should be minimum volume. So I'm gonna get bothered anymore. Yeah, let's check everything. Yep. SQQQ is calling it, no? It's not bad actually for short. But again, in which sector this thing is? It's non-energy, mineral. adding a new shortcut. Let me duplicate this. ULH. Oh crap. 1000. Squawk guy. So far the highest volume goes to AFRM. Actually, AFRM is giving now. It's about to give a good short signal. Rivian. It should either hit or this could be a reversal, but it should come down lower and then or pulls back. Yeah, it's still hugging. WFC. So everything is running, but WFC is not. What does it mean? It doesn't want to go. Even the market is bullish, it doesn't want to go, and it just faked HOD. Hold on, right back. CCL. Alright, let's see if CCL is made of. We'll see. But basically, if it doesn't get separated from the VWAP, I have to remove AFRM, because until 10 a.m. it's not doing anything. Yep, gone. Okay, let's see when Pfizer does it. See. Okay, let's say a MasterCard. V JPM back. Very good. For whatever signal we're gonna get is XLF. Well, whatever XLF wants to do, even if false, it looks want to crack, right? So that means that this thing, whatever that is going to do, this thing, if it falls, because XLF is gonna fall, we has reached a good high. Not a good high, it has reached some high regarding other stocks. Then it is JPM. JPM not much, but MA. These are good. These are good goods. Vero. Okay, Vero is good. Nice, Quack guy. Finally, some calls, eh? So let me call him. Okay, let me close this. That's just my head. So, alright, so we are getting S5 blocking the price now. To bullish reversal. All right. All right, CCL is giving signal. Let's see, we are watching CCL. see if CCL reverses or drops below VWAP. FRM failed to go higher and give a signal. Or Rivian and CCL both hitting. Rivian, it depends if Rivian goes higher or falls below. AFRM, I'm looking to short AFRM. All right, watching CCL. I'm guessing that AFRM signal was a mistake because I'm a little bit late. So let's see. Veru. Let's go, baby. What the hell? Come on. It was a mistake. I will close this trade. My average is not good. On AFRM, I don't like what's happening here. So if it pops above this candle, whatever price would be, I will close it. But hopefully not. Because I didn't like my entry. My entry is way lower. Like I'm off what? 2017. I'm 30 cents off. Oh, come on. Veru is painful. I'm closing my trade. I'm closing my trade on AFRM. Although I had no issues with the trade, but my entry was late. It destroys my risk to reward and everything. So here we are watching CCL to see. Most probably we are gonna get a bounce. If we get a bounce off of what happened to Veru. Oh, it got even. Come on, bro. 11:30. I got $1 in 2 minutes. Look at that. $1 in 2 minutes. What's the name? Anya Alice. Yeah. Okay, Rivian. Rivian is pulling back. Okay, let me close this. Let me watch it closely. Now I'm closing my Rivian trade. Yeah. So we are in 1 minute candle. Market did some reaction to the R3. That reaction is more likely to keep continuing. Getting some emails. I don't want to hear any of that. Really, the one and the very pisses me off. Cecil, on look at that, it's still ripping. I mean, are you? You know, when I make a mistake, it's like that. And that's why I close my trade. All right, so 3 minutes left, and we are getting again another pushback. So I wouldn't like that this thing goes to anything higher than what I mean. I don't like that this thing does anything against my trade, but honestly, it looks like it's a drop, right? It looks like it's a drop, especially that I'm considering the continuation, and we are getting to the open. Open is at no, we passed open. Sorry, we are getting to the low of the 5 minute breakout. 67 gonna be a 67. 69 gonna be a important key level here. If we go back into 90s, my trade gonna be obsolete. Yeah, and I'm probably gonna be out of this trade, probably. Yeah, it looks like. It's just if it drops below, I will go back in, no problem. But so in 20 seconds, we'll see the fate of this trade. Most probably, I will get out. Most probably. Price is at 92. I am at 98. My stop is sitting at 98. If market wants to go lower, we have what 20 seconds left starting now. So things gonna get heated up. Could get heated up from here. Vero is still ripping. I would be by now. I would be $1 and almost $2 in profit, but I'm not, because with a hotkey mistake I got out. Yeah, so I'm reducing my stop to 1 more cent. Yeah, this is probably gonna rip it. Most probably. The new candle is open, 12 cents. Let's see what we are getting here. And Yeah, it looks like it's gonna go. Ribbon closed, and CCL is still not decided what to do, but it could just go from here. I'm getting ready to go long on CCL. There you go. All right, so as I said that, yeah, it could go just back down. I could not touch it, but I don't have conviction about the direction of Rivian. I have a feeling it's gonna drop today, but it's a feeling. I don't know how real this thing could be. See Microsoft giving a signal. C is okay. See, I would like that this thing pulls back and touches VWAP, and then we can use it. Oh, okay, so it's getting a little bit dangerous on it failed to go back higher, and I just did something that I shouldn't have done. That was dumb. CCL I went long, although I said that this is short. A dumb mistake. Look at this. Why I quit? I don't know. Sorry. Another mistake on RIBN. Something is wrong. I mean, maybe I made another dumb mistake. So I want to close RIBN. I don't have conviction about this stock. CCL is a murder house for me now. Alright, so let's find a better signal. Veru, nothing here yet. Okay, so let's see what we are getting now, especially that if why close this? So CCL, if it gets a bounce from here, it goes back to the upside. I will consider this as a very strong bullish signal because it consolidated above former high. Hey. Oh, that's actually a good one. What's the daily signal? Daily volume? Yeah. Yeah, so we'll see about CCL. It doesn't look like it's gonna go back higher, but let me put it 1 cent lower. 7 is 3 cents, $35. All right, so we'll see from here what happens to CCL. Everything is look bearish. Let's have a quick Lee MU. Oh, I'm removing Lee from my list. MAV. All right, so we'll see that what happens here. JPM at the same time. Remove JPM. No, F is too strong to come back now. So we can expect something from. We can not expect. It could be something can happen here. Here if it pulls back, and then if we go Oxy, nope. Oxy, I need some water. Look at this. So this is got even more interesting. It failed to break VWAP. We got a candle close above VWAP. It pulled back and closed above. But let me just change once. So now there is a very good possibility that this actually can become a resistance to just push the signal back up. But the issue is that on 15 minutes we are getting a continuation. This can still go 3, no problem. I don't have issues with that. And Okay, we pull back. Okay, yeah. Just too painful to watch. All right, so once it hits this level, I'm not going to touch this now. It's a little bit quiet, more quiet financial sector. Once it's hit that level, I will be looking forward to adding to V. It looks like it's a drop, huh? Let's consolidating in this area. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to lose this. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. But the thing is, yeah, it closed one above and I went long on the top. We'll see. It's just alright. V is coming in. Once that it breaks, I'm going to add actually right now. Okay, so my buying power half is used. I'm looking forward to I'm looking forward to add to my trade on CCL, but once it reaches the former touches high, this candle, I'm sorry, this one, V is going. Alright, so once it breaks, I can add the, let's have R6 break 200. And we lock it and load it. I'm going to add to this trade right here. 1, 2. Let's go. Too late, but anyway. All right, so I am 71% in. I'm adding. I am adding to my CCL. My average is at 97. So I'm expecting as Qs are ripping, I'm expecting, okay, now SPY, let's see SPY. As the SPY is ripping to new highs, I'm expecting CCL to go. And Rivian, what's happening to Rivian? Not Rivian, what's called the V. Okay, that's the part that I take. What's that? 27 shares short. Then set my stop. What's the? It's 13. All right, so 20, 51. Yeah, so this trade is 100% winner. The only issue is that it's pulling back. I don't like the pullback, and this freaking this pretty boy is not going because this market is like somehow not stalling. My market is a little bit more quiet. In case that this, okay, SPY to go and hence to this, yeah, SPY to go and goes all my trades. Run all my trades and goes. Okay, so we set from stop to entry trade, which is here, right? So here at this level, I will get an alert. There you go. CCL is telling me that's dripping now. So okay, I don't like V's behavior. I don't like what it did. I'm going to be expecting. What is 6? What 6 is supposed to do? Alright, so I sit my stop down here and we let it ride. I don't like this formation though, honestly. I don't like this formation, but it could be. It's a 2-2 continuation. I'm what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Qs. So on Qs, what we have, this is still 2-2 continuation, but if it drops a little bit lower, it becomes 2-2 bearish, but hopefully it doesn't. So what? Alright, I just, this was a negative trade because yeah, 2000, like CCL is from 250, I'm at 129. Ugly. Fucking CCL. Yeah, I will add to my this trade. I will add to my value trade later. Comcast. Okay, so Comcast until 10 a.m. Actually, it's not bad. Once it breaks, let me see what's the issue here. What's the key assignment? Luckily that 6 has nothing. I closed my CCL, but goddamn CCL. Goddamn CCL. Go fuck yourself. Yeah, this, I hate this stock. Like, I hate it. And I'm the one that in the morning removed the freaking stock from my watch list. You just look at this, it's not there. Oh, god damn you. 2,000 shares in this thing. 2,000 shares. It's like what, 200 something now for me. Go, Appafaloni. 63. I just did some profanity on camera. I'm adding to Veru. No, V, no. V, I don't want anything to goes back against me on V. We are 36 minutes in, and this behavior ain't bad, but at HUD this reversal shouldn't happen. I'm adding, and on 5 minutes I'm sitting right below. I'm 400 shares, almost 500 shares in V. R is resume retrading. Oh my god, look at this. What's the volume? 700,000. I'm not gonna touch this thing. No way I'm going to touch this thing. This squad guy just okay. All right, so I'm getting to 3R. I'm about to get to 3R. Actually, 30 cents to 3R. This is gonna be the biggest trade of the day. At 76, 74. Sorry, it's the number. You see what I'm guessing? 76. 30 cents away. It's easy to get there. I will close my trade at max profit. There is no. It's S3 over there, and then we have some levels up here. I'm getting triggered to close my trade, but I will watch it on 1 minute. Yeah, this is good. So yeah, let's go get 76. Rivian was the pain of the day is Rivian. It's just a dramatic pain of the day. It's like that I'm not happy with it. And then worse than that, CCL. Okay, I'm out. Did it go to the other account? Are you serious? What the heck is happening here? Voila. It's just, I'm not gonna continue streaming on today. It's just I'm getting pissed off and I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. And yeah, I'm so pissed off now. So pissed off now. You have no idea. You have no idea. It's just some nonsense. I'm just doing some nonsense. It is what it is. All right. You have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow.